Hello everyone! Today I will be making a mandala that has its design created not by me, but by my fiancé, believe it or not. And I think it actually came out great, so for sure in the future I'll ask him again to put pieces together because I really like his vision. With time he started knowing all the shapes and giving me creative advice. That's basically what close to 100 YouTube videos will do for a person. Our first shape is a bent circle teardrop made from 2 orange strips of paper. I made a big loose coil first because I want my final shape to be bigger and to have a bigger hole inside. This is because in this way you'll get an airy look, and by now you already know that I like that quite a lot. It just gives the project an extra bit of finesse, a more polished look if you will. I will put here the rest of the 4 other shapes previously made into a star, and then I'll start working on the second shape. For this I will use the comb, making a C-wrap and applying glue on the back of my growing shape as it develops. This is important to give the shape some resistance, because without that glue it will be all over the place. After I removed it from the comb, I bent it inside, but I did not connect the ends. The third shape is a C-wrap again, but this one on the other hand has its ends connected, and for this I used another yellow strip of paper, circling it around. As I make the shapes, I will start placing them in a certain design previously chosen, so you will actually see in real time the development. The fourth shape is again a C-wrap, and this is where it gets interesting, with a change in colors that will contrast the rest of the design. What do you think? Does the fuchsia look good here? Maybe a pale pink would have been a better fit, I'm not sure, but it is what it is. The fifth shape is a blue circle looping made on the comb. I bent it a little after removing it off the comb to get it in a moon shape, and I ended up making 10 of these in total and added them to the design under the watchful eye of my fiancé. Another 10 moon-shaped circle loopings, black this time and bigger, were also added to the mandala. Then I made a few circle coils, actually 5 in total, to complete the overall look of each of the 5 parts. I continued with the same moon shape, but this time made from yellow strips. The whole design started from a pentagon, So keeping this into perspective was important, and he imagined a transition effect between the parts. So this is the idea behind the black closed moons and these yellow opened ones. And because I like using the comb for elegant and balanced designs, I made eccentric teardrops too from a single strip of paper, placing them in the empty spaces between the pair of yellow moon-shaped loopings. They give a nice contrast and are made from the same color as the center of my mandala, creating a nice flow and radiating energy outwards. To further tie the whole piece together, I also placed very small loose coils in certain key parts of the design to give more unity and keep everything properly held together. The centerpiece of the mandala will be a small but very beautiful square Swarovski crystal. Because I needed a way to attach it, I made a tight coil from 3mm strips that matches the space in the center, and I glued it properly to make sure it would not move. This is the crystal I was telling you about, and in the sun this little thing has a beautiful shine. It's actually an earring from a set that I was not wearing and had in my jewelry drawer, but my fiancé saw them a while back and told me that I really needed to incorporate them in a project. And that's it. Well, now at least one made it on camera. I really hope you liked how this mandala took shape and grew in front of your eyes. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and leave a like. Let me know what you think about the design and if you would change something about it. One thing I will say is that now I think I could have added more contrasting color, but in the end it looks great nonetheless. I must confess that seeing the evolution of a project is very satisfying, not only for anyone that is watching, but also for myself after all the work is done and I realize what a nice result I've got. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Take care.